Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain to you what is the best salon software platforms for beginners. Fresha versus Vagaro versus Booksy and versus Mindbody. First is on Fresha. Ease of use is Fresha is very beginner friendly with a clean, intuitive interface. It's ideal for small to medium sized salons and wellness businesses. Some of its key features are appointment scheduling, client management, point of sale system, online booking integration, automated notification and reminders, and commission tracking. Now for its pricing, Fresha is free to use with no subscription fee for the basic package. They make money by charging a $20 commission any new clients book through their marketplace and 2.19% plus $0.20 per card transaction. It is best for smaller salons, independent stylists, or beginners looking for cost-effective essential salon management tools without heavy upfront. Next is the Vagaro. Vagaro is a user-friendly, though its robust feature set can make time to explore for beginners. It is suitable for salons, spas, and fitness centers. Some of its key features are online booking and scheduling, customer management, POS, and inventory tracking, marketing tools, customizable website, and branded app options, reporting and analytics. For its pricing, starts at $25 per month for solo practitioners and goes up depending on the number of staff. There's also a 2.75% plus $0.30 for fee per card transaction. It is best for businesses looking to grow and those that want an all-in-one platform with extensive features. Ideas for salons wanting marketing and customization options beyond basic scheduling. Third is the Booksy. Booksy is a highly rated for its user-friendly design and easy setup, making it a popular choice for beginners. Some of its key features are appointment scheduling and calendar management, client management with history and notes, in-app payments and no-show protection, marketing tools like automated messages, loyalty programs, and integrated POS system. For its pricing, plan starts around $29.99 per month per user. They also offer a no-show protection feature that charges a cancellation fee, which can be helpful for minimizing lost revenue. It is best for small to mid-sized salons, barbershops, or beauty professionals who need simple scheduling, payments, and marketing tools. Best for those prioritizing client retention and ease of payment management. Lastly is the Mindbody. Mindbody has a steeper learning curve than the others. Due to its more advanced feature set, it's widely used in the health and wellness industries, including large spas and fitness studios. Some of its key features are appointment and class scheduling, staff and payroll management, member and management, membership management, advanced marketing features including email campaigns and promotions, analytics and business reports, and mobile app for clients and staff. For its pricing, it is the most expensive one. Plan starts around $129 per month, making it one of the pricier option. Transaction fees for card payment vary depending on location and plan. It is best for larger salons or those that integrate fitness and wellness services, requiring more advanced tools for memberships, staff management, and reporting. It is not ideal for beginners on a budget or those managing small operations. I hope that helps, and that's it.